All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're going to unlock one of the most powerful and direct strategies for speaking English, starting right now. It's all about something called the imperative. So, I've got a question for you, and I want you to really think about this one. Do you think it's possible to speak English, to form a complete, understandable sentence with just a single word? The answer? It's a massive, definite yes. And get this, it's not just possible, it's something native speakers do all the time. This is your absolute fast track to speaking. Just think about it for a second. One single word, go. That's a complete thought, a full command. You're telling someone to move and they understand you instantly. Or how about this one? Stop. Everyone on the planet knows exactly what that means. There's zero confusion. And here's another. Listen. It's super direct, it's clear, and yep, it's a full sentence. Believe it or not, you're already speaking complete English sentences. So, this awesome tool, this one-word sentence, it actually has a name. It's called the imperative. So, how do we find it? Well, let me show you a really simple little trick, especially for beginners. So how do you find this command form? It's so simple. If you see a verb with to in front of it, like to learn, you literally just drop the to. And what do you have left? Learn. Boom. That's it. That's your imperative command. And hey, it works the other way too. Let's say you see a verb that ends in ing, like listening. You just chop that ending right off. You're left with listen. Now, this is a fantastic little strategy for beginners to quickly find that core verb. So, what does this all mean? Basically, the imperative is just the simplest form of a verb that you use to give a command, tell someone what to do, or give directions. Things like go, stop, listen. Those are all imperatives. Okay, that's enough of me talking. Now it's your turn to jump in and actually try this out. Let's see how you do with a quick little challenge. Okay, on the screen, you're going to see 8 super common imperatives in English. What I want you to do is hit the pause button right now and try to write down what each one means in Turkish. Come on, go for it. Pause now. All right, did you do it? Ready to check your answers? Let's see how you did. Go is git, stay, that's kal, speak is konuş, be is ol, then we have read, which is oku, and look, which is bak. Do is yap, and last but not least, come is gel. So, how'd you do? I bet you got a bunch of them right. Okay, so you've totally got the one-word sentence down. That's awesome. Now, let's take that simple foundation and start building on it. We're going to make our sentences even better. And the recipe for this could not be simpler. You just take your imperative, your command word, and you add an object. An object is just a person, a place, or a thing. This is how we start adding all that juicy detail. Okay, let's start with a really simple one. Hold. It's a clear command, right? But hold what? And this is where the magic happens. We just add an object, in this case, my hand. So, hold my hand. See that? Look how much more specific and meaningful that sentence is now. You went from just one word to a full descriptive instruction. It's that easy. Let's check out another one. Instead of just shouting close, we say what to close? The door. Close the door. Are you seeing the pattern here? In English, it's almost always verb first, then the object. Same exact idea here. Our command is eat, and the object, what we're eating, is the egg. Put them together, eat the egg. Super simple, super direct, and 100% correct. Now, this is one you've probably heard 1,000 times, right? Do is our command verb. Do what? Your homework. Do your homework. It's a perfect, totally natural-sounding example you'll hear all the time. Okay, and I love this one because the verb have is so useful in English. When we say have breakfast, it's a friendly instruction. It's not just about owning something, it's about the action of eating. This is just how native speakers say it. All right, so let's wrap this up. What's the one big idea you absolutely need to walk away with from this whole strategy? This is it, right here. This is the golden rule. The root of the verb, its most basic, simple form, is your shortest and most powerful sentence in English. It is your #1 starting point for speaking. So, the game plan is crystal clear, right? You start with that one powerful word. Get comfortable with it. Then, you just start adding one more piece, the object. And honestly, before you know it, you're not just getting your point across, you're building real sentences with real confidence. So I have one last question for you. What's the first imperative you're going to use today?